everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you're tired of Snapchat constantly suggesting random friends, in this video I will show you how to turn off friend suggestions and stop Snapchat from recommending people you don't want to see. So let's go. First, open the Snapchat app. Tap your Bitmoji or profile icon at the top left corner. Now tap the gear icon at the top right to open settings. Now scroll down and find this option called contact syncing and tap on it. And from here, tap remove synced contacts from Snapchat and confirm it. This will stop Snapchat from suggesting people based on your phone contacts. Once done, go back to settings. Scroll to this option called see me in find friends and tap on it and uncheck it. This makes you invisible from others' friend suggestions and also helps cut back the ones you receive. And that's how you stop Snapchat from suggesting random friends. Clean, private, and less annoying. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.